Hi, my name is Matei, and today I'll be talking about the definition of a food print. A food print, to put it simply, is the environmental impact of everything it takes to get your food from the farm to your dinner table. It's the greenhouse gas emissions produced by the production, farming, working conditions, water usage, packaging, transporting, storing, cooking, and disposing of the food you eat. Everything we eat has some kind of impact on the environment. For example, a hamburger has a very high footprint because many resources are utilized. To produce one quarter pounder requires 660 gallons of water. That's more than 2 months of water used to shower. Additionally, livestock waste releases methane into the atmosphere, a greenhouse gas about 20 times stronger than carbon dioxide. Other ingredients like cheese has the third highest emissions among animal products, which should also be considered when thinking of a food print.
Hello, my name is Julia Pullman. I'm a sophomore at Kinkakalika High School, and I'll be talking about the benefits of eating plant-based, not only on the earth, but on your body as well. First of all, eating plant-based is very helpful to the environment. The production of many plant foods, especially plant proteins, including beans, legumes, nuts, and dark leafy greens, is much better for the environment than their meat protein counterparts in terms of water usage, carbon production, and land usage. Not only does eating meat use a lot of land, water, and produces a lot of carbon, but the land that it is on is overall degraded, making it harder for things to be planted on there in the future. From this graph, we can see the sheer amount of water that is used to produce only 1 pound of meat, which is an astronomically high amount considering the limited water sources that we have, especially fresh water. Now, onto the effects for your body. Eating plant-based has been linked to not only physical but better emotional well-being. It has been linked to decreased anxiety and depression and overall better mental health. As for your physical well-being, it has been linked to improved digestion, lower blood pressure, increase your heart health, increase your life expectancy, decrease risk of cancer, and even minimize the risk of stroke or dementia. Overall, eating plant-based is not only a good idea for the environment, but it is for you as well.
Aloha, my name is Elisa Silva. I'm a senior at Seabury Hall, and I'm here to talk to you about the importance of buying organic foods. So to start off, organic food crops are grown without the use of man-made pesticides and synthetic fertilizers and are not genetically modified. A recent study shows that 30% of global emissions come from agriculture practices, including pesticide production and use. Organic farming also sequesters carbon from the atmosphere and puts it back in the soil by reducing tillage, which increases the soil fertility, conserves water, and slows down climate change. For these reasons, that is why you would want to buy organic foods when you go to buy your groceries.
Aloha, my name is Kiana and I'm a senior at Kamehameha Schools Maui. Today I'll be talking to you about the importance and benefits of buying locally sourced ingredients. Buying locally sourced ingredients is the best option for your health, the economy, and the environment. First, when you purchase locally sourced ingredients, you are buying the most fresh and nutritious food available to you. In addition, purchasing local ingredients also supports farmers and sellers in your community, promoting a circular economy. Lastly, when you purchase locally sourced ingredients, your food does not need to be shipped to you. Eliminating the process in which your food is being shipped to you lowers your carbon emissions. By considering these factors, you can support your health, the economy, and lower your carbon footprint. Mahalo for listening.